Hi, today we are at the Hotel Stadt München in Düsseldorf. As part of the refurbishment, 9 rooms were completely converted to ELTAKO radio in the first phase and combined with 3 mini-safes too. And that's what I'm presenting to you now. Among other things, the hotel management is able to operate the rooms via the GFA5 app, call up scenes or change these scenes as required. But more on that later. And now I'll show you what the built-in actuators look like. 3 mini-safe 2 are hidden here, which have been installed in the false ceiling due to their compactness. The controllers enable control via the GFA5 app. The built-in sensors are clock thermostats, window contacts, radio buttons and temperature sensors. Here, for example, logical heating control was realized by querying the window contacts. You can also see the humidity sensor above me in the bathroom, which switches the ventilation on when the humidity value rises above a certain threshold value and switches it off again when the humidity value falls below the threshold value. Here you can see the centerpiece of each room, the 14 series with the built-in actuators for blinds, heating, switching and dimming. The rooms are also equipped with our laser-engraved wireless push buttons, which can control every room. Finally, we come to the tablet control. The rooms can be conveniently controlled via the GFA5 app. Here we can switch lights on and off, control individual lights, raise and lower the blinds, or open and close the curtains. In the future, we plan to convert all rooms to ELTAKO radio, so it will be interesting to see what happens. See you in the next video. Feel free to leave comments, leave a like. See you next time. Ciao.